Hey, I'm Dusti Martin with Platinum Living Realty. Welcome to my newest listing at 6880 South Morning Dew Lane in Buckeye, Arizona. If you're looking for a great place in Buckeye, Arizona under $400,000, I have got the place for you. This place is absolutely pristine and is totally move-in ready. This home is 1,749 square foot, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style home with an open floor plan. Both bathrooms sport granite counters and updated finishes and flooring. The bedrooms are equally updated with accent walls and upgraded flooring. The primary suite offers a spacious retreat with not one, but 2 walk-in closets. And overall, the home itself has tons of storage. With tile throughout, this home is super low maintenance and easy to care for. Speaking of low maintenance, both in the front yard and back, you'll find xeriscaping to keep your water bill down and your maintenance and time costs down as well. Want a lawn? The backyard's already plumbed for sprinklers. Just install your ground cover of choice. This home also comes with an awesome solar package. For about $100 a month, your home is almost completely run on solar, even earning a few dollars back in some months. Need a bigger garage or more storage? Check out the mounted cabinets in the extended length garage. To schedule a private showing or to see what your home might sell for in today's market, go ahead and give me a call at 480-717-9405 or visit my website at dustimartinrealtor.com.